wikabunuraganie ochoganiri erangiyiga asedukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores na mukwege namuna ekale ya watagete ni gukwaya nyora gwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire biasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero otumigite chirangi cha Crown Paints edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Well, yo. Well, yo. Kichwa njicho wacha mambo yako bwana. Najma. Oa. Oa Najma. Oe. Ausina mega umekufa geto. Acha michezo yenu ya kufia geto. Najma. Najma.
Mwancho barigerere acyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere cheritkerigare yuma tariki 19 mutenyino yo kyanda mwaka no yuwekiri 2025 Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere korwa Getembe Television Network wenye nchengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga korwa somonwa oliabo manyerire nabo yo Mike Wilsonero kwane kyabuna chibichechi na malyogi ngo kirashira asinchira ere yoboikrano karansoike obena intugoika omwero Natugo chaka abantu babere nigo bakagere gosiria magimabo asomo baskana omwebwe para yokorakana emambe ya rero ase ensemo ya omobere taracha ase pare nene kuromogonka kochia kenyenya mogende wepigipigi eyo nigo akagere gosiria bwabwaye asigabwabo ase boigo umosubati abogoretie akagere gosiria bwabwaye chinga kare komnyoki wa gochinyakitari
Makori igomenyeta iga si accident yabera next day gipara kero kurata ya kuru igo ya bide na minyoka nguji kuminyoka gocha na nyoro umwe na rairense no mumuro oyo iga nera rire umwe na raire para igo iga rire kande Kenya one gotebekana kuru Kenya kigali cia minyoka nibe bono yakusi accident igo yarenge mutu yabwate bantu Nande yatebekanire yande yatebekanire no contact ubwatega telemon tereba one karatu omaba nasokire para njanya le kono umwana oyo contact osobuta kuchenjere kwanda bono mobere ekurata ya kurungo uitira abantu oyo gotama tomo minyoki twikariro goro otereri ogwa karagu tomo gwata tomo irani bono twara gingo muitere musambe twara tiga na itu sana nonere bono eyikira abantu batebatiga to sevubu gimobo libaga nertora muite egara onye nekina kechiko ko baraisi ekiagara na ruo gusaidi nga ninja na tuo metaba bono omuntu oli gabo kuri kuru baiga oirukanye yatebeka nenero kure tai muna basikali twaka what am criticizing most amakosa manene sana got to a Kisii Kenya police station 10 times and no response was taken. Nothing was taken. Baka ya pili tuaje kuliko usaidizi kuruoge. abasikari baito ba Kenya banyendiri baigwanga ne change torira 40 liters ingekuwa rahisi sana wangekimbia na randoba mzima. So a police station yetu ya Kenya nyona bahepi they are not reliable in terms of assisting common mwananchi. Aina makosa manna sana akara barangeliu they should connect us to the next office irato konyi bona exede ina bayaba yo mebere umubero rusigwa randroveri ya chire Kenya aidha no mubero ndo uligo chikopogoli
chali ya accident ya bona mambi umona boda boda no mada mwe kwa school wanyaka baba gosiro bugima bwabo asa accident ye pa na accident yo ndoko tabaga no mwana boda boda bota magosa mono mono no muntu ke gari bota magosa ikiagara asaru takachigwito mwana boda boda ne saidi engaye talie yaye igari kwa bateki egashia ko mnyakani amo Ibere aya mo yakara gento keke banyora ngoso gire saidi chigwito mwana boda boda sare ngensa mo yaye toko te abaiga e pare number 1 pare na nyere number 2 ebote bitonge binga senje number 3 oborundi bora abwechigari ebato chaete mnanto boda boda asengenjo ninki igako bateki oja saidi ya gopi timetinga to motaro ino ngai to goeta barigo to bari taso atuwende gotara pasto kala yore ni to bwati chia pare asukero matata ke gotara ko bako kuwae goto ko sabanga se pare de akenya tabatari to bore ndi borobuya pare ro sigwe bengia na barundi boto bachiga nto bange tinto banje lakini baba abantu bagotore no to barinde bagoto to mo ofio masenjo to bate bigari ebike bagatwara chigari chinene
Togo skavosio rit korea rero waziri woboreni waime omoske Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen nigo aikia ebiekaro bya jukwala usalama county area ya Nyamira okwana baliki bamangana bose bwebikarebyo Murkomen niga kwanira imechando ere ase county yo nemono okundirwa ko basubati netisegichegenka oboyibi bwetugo ase ebongeri yaboramo ogosara kwa bana ogosarwa kwa bana abanyaruka ase boiga kwanirira chisegichichi ndemero no koitwa kwa bantu ase chinchira chobotutukano Murkomenigo ariganiwa na barai korwa ase county ya Nyamira kati yabo omo governor we county ya Nyamira omoske mo minyaribo mwakirishi wabasubati county ya Nyamira omoske mosubati Jerusha Momanyi mojumbe webunge ya West Mogrango moske Steven Mogaka mojumbe Onofi Mogirango moske Josh Nyamoko mobunge oborabu omoske Patrick Osero na boigo Irene Nyakera negatia osa Irene Majaka negatia baraibari bamwarigania omoske Murkomen monjo barire totegere chinkwana chiaye omoske Murkomen kurase bunge yu ya Nyamira
related to issues of cattle theft. This is a confined problem in Borabu, being the border county to border constituency to the side of Bomet. There have been cases of cattle theft, some resolved, some unresolved. I want to say that we have agreed in the security team that there will be a team that is going to profile. Already some of these thieves have been profiled, especially those who facilitate them to come and steal from this side, and also the buyers of the cows, the butcheries and the sponsors and financiers are being profiled so that they can be apprehended. We want to resolve this issue once and for all. Being an issue that is happening between border of two counties, I have told also the Ngao team to reactivate public barazas between the two, at the border between Borabu and Bomet County, so that they can have a greater collaboration with the citizens. The question of femicide is a serious issue. As I said, the President established a task force to work on that issue. The task force completed its work. There is ongoing crackdown and implementation on the issues of gender-based violence. And as I said, it is a conversation we must have as to why in some communities more prevalent to others. What are these cultural practices that are perpetuating these kinds of crimes? What can we do to make sure that we get rid of these heinous acts, especially gender-based violence, which is targeted at women, including FGM, including defilement of kids. Of course, men also are victims of violence. It also goes unreported because of cultural practices that if a man was to come out to say, my wife beat me, they would be ostracized. And we want to deal with these stereotypes that are so ingrained in society that victims are not strong enough to come out. Some of the cases are as a result of mental health issues, use of drugs and alcohol. So as we do crack down on the part of alcohol and drugs, we also resolve the question of mental health that is also driving some people, spouses to kill each other, and in some cases even young people who are dating just by virtue that you have a girlfriend. We have 3 cases that are related to young boys killing their girlfriends, and this is not acceptable. And so mental health issues also is something that we need to address holistically. I see some people fighting housing. Housing is not a solution for purpose of just building houses. It is extremely important for us, for our food security, to resolve disputes among communities, that people can have one tall building and live there together and leave the rest of the land for proper agricultural production. Even also going forward, in burying our loved ones, we need to stop this practice that everybody has to bury their loved one in their own piece of land next to each other. We must embrace also the culture of public cemeteries, as it happens in other parts of the world. Some of it, actually, we are told that some of this violence happens around the time the people have lost their loved one. They're wondering where they will bury that person. All those issues. We need to also move out and accept that we no longer have enough land for all of us to bury our loved ones in every small piece of land that we have. We need to embrace the culture of public cemeteries that are well organized and
Togo skabose mambierit kurerero muraibuensi ya Kenya Daktari William Samoei Ruto mwaziri wobochenu omoske adenduhale na baraibande nigo baumirana na bantu kurwa chifamily chitari kwenyara ase nyombo y'oburo ya State House omoche o Nairobi ekerenkia kenene no kwene kyabuna igati osabanta abo bonsi bakurwa chifamily chyanse gose chitari kwenyara gose chokonyorogoke ngweri kyabare no muroberi bobo bweni oshana boigo eserekali echake kubakanira ase omuroberi oyo.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here today to launch the National Government Sponsorship Program and the Digital Sponsorship Program of SHA as a transformative, compassionate step to ensure that no Kenyan is left behind. Leo hapa tumekuja kwa sababu tulikubaliana ya kwamba tutabadilisha mfumo wa afya na kwamba kila Mkenya kwanza kupitia kwa ile sheria tumepitisha ya PHC, kila Mkenya ajisajili kwa SHA, kujisajili peke yake bila ya kulipa pesa yoyote. Kila Mkenya unapojisajili basi utakuwa na nafasi ya kwenda hospitali ile tunaita primary health facilities kwa level 3, level 2 ya dispensary, level 3 ya health center, level 4 ya sub-county hospital na zingine county hospital. Na ukienda pale kama outpatient, kuna homa, kuna nini, kuna malaria, kuna nini, unaenda pale, unaonana na daktari, unadungwa sindano kama ni kudungwa sindano, unapatiwa dawa kama ni kupatiwa dawa, alafu unatoka hapo unaenda nyumbani bila ya kuulizwa pesa yoyote. Wacha nirudie, kwa sababu kufikia sasa bado tuko na mahospitali katika counties zetu ambazo wanaitisha wananchi pesa. And I want to again repeat, no Kenyan going for outpatient facility in any hospital, dispensary or health center should pay. That service is already paid for by the government of Kenya. It should be offered. Citizens must go to hospital. They must be treated.
Gukona sege kare kiomo waziri wobochenu adendwale nere nigo atogia gitambukiro ky'umuraibu ensi kyogo cha kagwa kanira batari kwenyara omurubiri osha asateba n'obosuburi bwakera omo Kenya konyora obocheno osoborwale ase mwende niga kwanira gocha okora obukurumi bore senseme yo bochenu anene mono asebare tremero biro yekerere y'abantu barachikwerike kinga kikiri waswa nabo igo gosoka kinyagitari asateba nachigukora kinyagitari cyoborimo abanyagitari bo nabo igo amarwire yoborumo negatie ebintu binde ebinge arachikorwane erekoreta obwasi oku ase wizara yaboche.
What you are doing today is not just a policy, it is something which is anchored in the bottom-up economic agenda. It is championed, you have championed it yourself, a provision in the Constitution that it is a right for every Kenyan or every citizen to health care. You have made it very clear, Your Excellency, that going forward we must build a healthcare system that is robust, that is responsive, and that is equitable. And by having these indigents, our children, our elderly people, people with a disability, to access specialized care, to have and today leave State House when each one of them, and we have made sure we have activated and they have received in their phones a text message that going forward they are members of the Social Health Insurance Fund. But this is the beginning, Your Excellency. Digital health system we are building has even greater capability. We will make sure fraud is impossible in our healthcare system. We will eliminate fake drugs, fake doctors, and fake facilities. And we will enhance quality of care across the board. In our new digital health care, known as Taifa Care, Your Excellency, the patient is the boss. The patient dignity is our priority. The patient quality care is the most important element in the delivery of our healthcare system.
Staka hikomina Isano igore Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mubaso wancha muregere nara yokore Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asinchira yo wenge tomura na Chinsa iko.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka ucyase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigiriye amabati andawusialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingagi ogoswasa biga kurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate team tempo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono mbabwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuari ayechigage emerongetato asama bati ali ayechigage emerongibere na Isano na Sept mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chena Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala buna boneli ya Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwa mabwate liga niko bokurengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Wakenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinia umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase Chinsa mu buno savings loans obosemi bugutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali Chinsa chimaiko ase Wakenya pamoja sako yabere ogusira okonene ase abaremi ebyumbe chiskuru chikumpane ao abarikire abaritayire gosibali ensemo ya pension boigo abonchereria ibotani na Wakenya pamoja sako iyo nyore obukoreri ubuya ase Chinsa muna obosemiguru yubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon muna development loans school fees loans emergency loans ebyumbe business loans salaried loans na boigochi advance loans boigon korantora muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo Wakenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange patarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusongo kahawa house raja moja ase para ya Kisii sotik siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia soko chara Wakenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tobwate branch chito ikome na inya chire within Gusii wanaintu tora rogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosegwa ase sake ese walibatara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeto Gusii yeto esa magendo Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Company ya Falcon bonno nigo egukorereria amangana matununto asamatao aye umureme nigo bonno bakoretere embusuro y'ikibando eyo ya ETG M601 eyo ekwama asegeka cyamatuko emiye mona 25 wika emiye mona 30 oka bandega nigo egoichuriye buya asekemba gyonsi nabo ego ekobo abuya amasakara teriko kugunda na nigo teri kuigwa uburwire bw'ekibando beta nigo teigwa uburwire teri koreta bichondo bwege company ni bakoretere ubuyu bugusimika ebimeri bwa Kaino Music obubumentre NPK obusyarira chikiro 50 nebere yuka aseka bwato boyo bunde bwa top dressing bukoro kwa Kaino Plus S ubu nigo gutumika obuyo chikilo 50 nebere Isano yuka aseka ubu nigo bukurenda ebimeri niriro lyao ebyamentaliga kubwa abuli tangani company ga ni bwate obuyo wa Kaino Plus Gromax ubu bwate potassium salva nabo igo calcium orasiarere ebimeri byo binde byonse munabono amatunda onsi echae oboli tibando chingende emesie ekawa na bimeri binde byonse ayigusimika asiriroba lyeguse obuyo buiga ni igobole ase chikilo 10 igobogotoka ase eduka yokonya ebimeri nechinyeke erangi nasole bakire simi ase namba 0788000028 gosem 0705725735.
Keroka Technical Training Institute ni shule ambayo utaiaminia kwa masomo ya kiufundi kama vile Building and Civil Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Agriculture and Environmental Studies, Applied Science Department, Computing and Informatics, Modern and Full Equipped Library, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering Department, ambayo wanatoa viwango vyote. Na sasa usajili wa mwezi wa Septemba unaendelea. Kwa mengi wapigie simu kwa nambari 0726588558 au 0708330000 au watembelee kwa tovuti ya www.kerokatechnical.ac.ke. Kumbuka, hii shule iko kilomita 1.5 peke yake kutoka mji mkuu wa Keroka. Mlete mwanao leo ili apate manufaa ya elimu.
Global Pathfinder Day ni geokorekana kira sabato ya gatatu y'umutinyu kyanda ensengema senginchi yo esabati Getembe Television nkubwateranire n'abashiriki bonsipi asokoretera Pathfinder Day maseye mukuru wa aria asense moya Nyantrago Stadium. Pastor Job Obara Orange